everyone. I am Tejal Khandelwal. Welcome to the Tejal Khandelwal Study Center. And welcome to those who are beginning their journey for 2026 or 2027 or are already in the process for their first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth and onwards attempts for the 2026 attempt. I am here today to express my deepest gratitude to each of you who has built this teacher driving my passion endlessly day by day in order to give back after all that I have learned in the passing years. Today I come with one very first of its kind mentorship program for the UPSC Civil Services examination. It is called the final hour. What is this final hour? The final hour is that hour of the day when each of you, after closing your books, are rethinking what you have done correct and incorrect. What is it as a challenge that you are facing day in and day out? And to make sure that this final hour reflection does not take you in a wrong direction, but is redirected, focused in such a way that it helps you to improvise your process and do better the next day. So I, Tejal Khandelwal, will be available and making you a promise for 2026 for all the remaining days of the year, every day to be available to talk to you from 10 to 11 p.m. I will be taking up various kind of doubts in this final hour for all students across the nation. Think of it like a helpline center where I will be taking up the academic doubts for the political science and international relations optional, GS Polity, GS IR. Since this is my subject domain and expertise in the same area. Apart from these academic doubts, students have myriad doubts, specifically with respect to how they should strategize themselves on a daily basis, how they should plan their preparation, what are the challenges that they face for execution, what are the problems they face with respect to answer writing and how they should improve on it, as well as miscellaneous issues. And they can be emotional, they can be psychological, they can be individual, they can be economical, they can be social. I am here to hear all of this, ensure to you a support system, and there cannot be any value for giving a support system. So there is nothing that a student has to pay apart from hard work, effort, consistency that I expect from you in return. So I will not call it a free initiative, but I will call it a gratitude giving helpline to every student who is preparing for this esteemed examination and putting in their best to achieve greater dreams in their life. And if I can be that one person to help you enable to achieve this big dream of yours, I will be thankful. So I am just a call away. Pick your call and pick your phone and just dial. And I am sure this one call, this one reflection, this one direction, and this one doubt and query may totally help you to become a better aspirant, improve your journey, improvise your process, and help you to learn better. And I promise that every day of 2026 from 10 to 11 p.m. I am available for every aspirant in India. So just a call away, pick your phone and call me on this number, and you will be better able to analyze what you are doing correct, what you are doing wrong, and rework your journey for civil services examination. Be it at any stage, be it at any attempt, we are not judgmental about what wrong you are doing, but we are here to help you as a faculty to enable you to achieve this big dream that you hold in your heart to serve the nation. Thank you.